Okay, so I will start. So I will present today a short demo session on how we are using predictive personalization on our website. Predictive personalization is a technique which is used to boost the conversions or understand who are the visitors of our website. So we typically start with the journey of a customer. So we have one customer type which is job seeker on our website, and it goes to define or decided journey. So typically he ends up somewhere here with conversions, which is I would like to be invited for an interview, so I'm providing you a contact or an email or telephone. And here in this phase of the journey, we try to boost the conversion while providing the personalized content and narrowing down the journey through our website to a conversion. So how we are doing that? So imagine you come to our website. So you land on a homepage where the content is pretty general, so it's rather for business people, it's even for job seekers. We talk about how big we are, what we are doing, which services we are doing. And currently imagine that a person who is looking for a job will immediately go to a career. So he or she is following a journey. So she or he browsed through the content, okay, looking for a .NET developer, might be interested in a Scrum Master position, project management, and that means that this person is sending to us some signals what he or she is interested in. She is sending signals to us that he or she looks to a job offer. So immediately when he or she returns on a home page, the content is personalized. So we are not offering any content which is for business people to understand what we can help with, but we offer the content which is for job seekers. So we are presenting here, well, you can join us on a special project we are doing for Metro Cash and Carry, or you can join the team which is big and we have valuable positions, or you can join us because we have some cutting edge technologies we are working on. So this is one part we are personalizing, and the rest is, for example, here we are talking to employers or potential employees, not to a potential client. So we are one team following agile principles. We have international clients. So Sitecore helps us to recognize the person, to recognize that the journey is for the job seeker and the person is job seeker, and then we can easily personalize the content. How we are doing that? So in the backend of Sitecore, there is an easy way how to personalize the content. So, for example, this carousel which I'm using on the website has 5 different versions, and those versions are exactly oriented according to a profiling system which is behind it. So, for example, if I'm recognized as a job seeker here, I can set up a rule which says, okay, if the current visit matches the pattern of being the job seeker, then show him a personalized banner which is for job seekers. And you can easily edit the rule. So saying this, adding the content which you can select from Sitecore, not using any other system. So Sitecore provides a functionality where you can work with the content as a standard content management system, and on the other hand enrich it for personalization and for personalization rules. What I can do next, for example, so I'll prepare now another personalized version of an web. So imagine that we are on a page which is about our project. So we have some carousel there, some links to our projects, and down here there is a part which says, okay, if you find our projects interesting, meet our team. So I will now change it, add a personalization variant, which will say, okay, so if you visited a page of our team, so understand what we are doing, and you are a job seeker, we will rather lead you to a contact form than to the About Us or People section. So I will easily add a rule which says, okay, if I'm specific profile, then do something. I'll select the profile, so type of visitor, define there is a job seeker. Okay, and so the rule is done. So when I visited a people page and I'm a job seeker, I will change the content, and I will change the content to be, let's say, this one, people with personalized call to action. And now let's see what's available. So you see that there are one variant, this is the default one, and the second one says, if you like to be a member of us, contact us. So I'm changing it according to the behavior what the customer did, and I'll publish, and let's see what is done on a website. So I save it, publish it. Close, and going to our website, I clicked on projects, and because I was recognized as job seeker, I'm there, but I was not on the people section. So I'll click on people. Okay, I can see what is the team, that we have many people who are responsible for the teams, many team leads, who is working where. And if I return to the project, because the system knows that, oops, it's not working here. Okay, so it was not published well. So I can then be directly linked to a contact section. So let's see it on the services, for example. In services here, normally there is a link to the project, and I will try to do, okay, I do the new version. Okay, so let's see that I will again simulate that I'm a job seeker. So going through the jobs. I'm on a homepage recognized as job seeker. I go to the project. Now I see that there is a contact us because I was recognized as a job seeker. So this banner just easily changed because I set up two rules here. So you have seen that Sidecar is quite easy to handle regarding the personalization. It's not a rocket science if you would like to do the basics, but there are many other possibilities what you can do with Sidecar. So I showed just the simple rules here. Sidecar has also capabilities to track all the visits I have. So for example, it has a built-in database which is tracking all the interactions with the visit. So I can click here, for example, to this profile, and I can see that this visitor did a huge amount of interactions, which will be visible here shortly. But I can see that this visitor was there last time yesterday. He visits a people section in the past. He is best matching two profiles we have set up on our website. So interested in ACTUM, what is one of the companies, and interested in job seekers. We can see how they match the patterns which are set up in Sidecar. So see that is matching 100% with the ACTUM profile because it was visiting just the section about the ACTUM. It's not matched against the job seeker, and here you see all the interactions with the website. So I can check that there was 9 interactions here during this time. This visit was 6 minutes and 50 seconds. It was the 43rd visit of this customer. He saw 7 pages, generated some value of a goals, visited, some came directly from a channel. So this is what Sidecar tracks, and you can use it for the future. It can be also used for the CRM data connected to that. So yeah, Sidecar is pretty tracking everything, and according to that you can do the personalization and do it right. Okay, I have another journey there, which is a business lead. So imagine again that you are on our website and behaving differently. So you will not go to a career section, but you will go rather to services and projects. So now we have again 7 banners on the carousel, and I go to the services because I would like to explore what are the services we are providing. I'll go check it. Okay, I go to see our projects. Okay, interesting. I go through. And if I return to a home page, then there are not even 7 banners there, but there are just 4, which are all talking to a potential customer what we are doing. We have changed also some parts of the website which are here. So we are coming up with solutions, we are improving skills of our customers, we are helping to implement cutting-edge technologies, and we are data-driven. So what we are doing, we are again narrowing down the journey, which is for business lead and business-oriented visitor on our website. Many techniques again, so if you go to the services, we are not leading customer back to the projects again, but we are leading the customer to the contact us details. And again, we have simple and few scenarios how to lead a customer to having a contact with us. That's pretty all for me. So if you have any question, you were sitting here looking for it. Is this something which is, you can imagine you can do that on your website, or do you manage some website, or? Yeah. So are you doing that, or it's somehow, or you are doing the complex things, more complex? No. So this is what you are familiar with. Okay. So Sitecore can have these capabilities, and yeah, can be really used for that as a basics, but it has also the capabilities to grow with you, with your skills, and do more with you. So, then thank you very much for your attention. I would like to just give you 5 takeaways of starting with personalization. So please do not think about just development, think about how to activate and use the software. Start with those small cases and build the complexity. So the small cases was what I was showing here. Manage your digital maturity, which is about improving your skills systematically, and think about the results which are measurable of every step of personalization. If you would like to know more about how to use the Sitecore for your business, please visit us on the booth. We are over there in the partner section, and thank you very much. Thank you.